This is Mission Control Houston. You're looking at a close-up view of the area of the Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft that began streaming particles of what could be coolant fluid. This all happening while Sergei Prokopyev and Dmitry Petelin were in the airlock, the Poisk module airlock on the opposite side. This Soyuz, which brought Frank Rubio, Prokopyev, and Petelin to the station back in September,